So, how to fix Instagram mention to story problem easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast in less than 1 minute. So, all what you wanna do guys is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Click on the apps and then go to the Instagram app. After that, all what you want to do on this page it is click on the storage option, click on clear cache and clear data. Go back, click on the data usage option and disable all those options and then enable them again. Go back, last thing you want to do is click on this option right here, and that's it. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.